Hey everyone, it's Angel. I have an unboxing from Diamond Art Club for you guys. Yeah, another one from the Black Friday deal. This one's a square and it is To Grandmother's House We Go by Margaryta. Yeah, I'm not going to butcher that name, but yeah, it is a square 20 by 26, which is 51 centimeters by 66 centimeters. Woo! And guys, don't forget 10% off if you're all new to this. So yeah, let's get stuck in. Okay, I've unboxed everything, so this is what we get inside. So here's a little sticker for your logbook or for the side of the box. And then we have the toolkit. Let's get stuck into the toolkit. Okay, this is the first time I've come across this, which is they bringing out these white plain boat trays, and yeah, I'll definitely be using this one instead of the clear plastic glittery ones, because they do tend to like crack here. I do have one which has got a crack on there. Can't find it. But yeah, there's your tray, your pen and your squidgy. As it's a square, you do get tweezers, you don't get them with rounds, and these are the sharp ones, so please be careful. Bag of baggies, your wax with two waxes in the container with the wrapping around it, and finally the 7 and 4 multi-placers. And what I got in there was this washi tape, this flowery one, so pretty for spring, and a pink teddy bear cover minder that you just like put under the plastic, and yeah, when you're doing a section. I want to try and make my videos a lot quicker, so I probably won't go as much into detail now. Okay, we have our thank you purchase leaflet, tips and tricks and what's included in your kit. 10% off code, guys, feel free to use that. A video of step-by-step instructions on YouTube, VIP Facebook group, and the app. I do recommend the app for new and old customers. 20% off from your first purchase. Here's the big sticker. Wow. So this one has 46 colours. And if it's under 150, it's at AB. We have 4: red, greenish yellow, blue, and a white AB. Just having a look at the symbols. You've got all your information there, your start and end date. Ooh. Definitely going to do this for Halloween 2023. I do own a black cat called Jet Jet. She's actually behind me, sleeping. So yeah, so cute, and I love Halloween stuff, so that is so me. Here is the drills. Look at them. Wow. Right, let's have a look at the canvas and then we can get stuck into the drills. Are we ready? I probably won't be able to fit everything in. So that's the bottom and the top. But what I'll do is I will pan over. If you do see 1s, 2s, 3s and 4s, those are your ABs. But I'll try and spot them when I finish doing the drills. Okay everybody, I've sorted the drills and there is the ABs. I'm going to do them last because I want to pinpoint where they are. So let's get stuck into the normal plain drills. We have 3, 7, 6, 8, 3, 8, 3, 4, 1, 6, 3. We have 7, 7, 5, 3, 8, 1, 4, 3, 7, 9, 9. We have 38, 18, 7, 8, 2, 900, 37, 65, 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 5, 5, 0. Oh. 800, 975, 518, 224, 976, 469. We have 3810, 501, 930, 963, 3750. I can't get my numbers out today. 890. We have 779, 3830, 666, 973, 307 and 301. We have 2 bags of 902, 2 bags of 3857. We have 2 bags of 740, 2 bags of 742 and 2 bags of 498. We have 2 bags of 898, 321, 2 bags of 741, 355 and 947. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 938 and then 2 bags of 3371. Right, so let's get to the ABs. There's 4 ABs. Number 1 was this beautiful red, which is this 114, and number 2 is this beautiful yellowy colour, 129. Number 3 is this beautiful blue, which is 140, and finally number 4 is 141, which is the white. Right, let's go for number 1, which is this red. And I can see some red AB just there and there into the water reflection as well, and some on the bushes, and bring the canvas down a bit across here as well, and a couple of here. So that's where your red AB would go. Number 2, which is this beautiful yellow. Move them out of the way. I see a couple here on the edging and across here. And I think it's mostly focusing here, guys, and not on the top here. So yeah, just around here for this one. And then number 3 was this blue, which goes here. One in the eye there, and one, oh, not in that one, just one eye. I'm just going to probably add my own ABs into their eyes. Probably use this part as a black AB, the black AB, yeah, for this grey area. Some here, number 3s, where your blues are. Just there really, those 3 spots. And then finally number white. Lots of 4s here. And in the windows. And in the moon. And the stars. Right up there, can you see these little white ones? Those are the stars, that's where the white AB goes. But most of it is focusing on the moon. And that's it really. And the windows, yep, and there. So there you go, those are where we found the ABs. And I'll definitely be doing this for Halloween. I'm sure if this is sold out, it probably will be restocked as it wasn't limited edition. So if you want this for next Halloween, next year, then you will get a chance to grab it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay amazing, and happy diamond painting. Bye.